Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Brooklyn. The world's first air conditioner was invented in Brooklyn in 1902. Shown in the Carrier plant in 1922, the first centrifugal chiller opened the door to large-scale comfort air conditioning.
Let's help you make your mark.
Willis Carrier. Air conditioning. Inventors. Willis Carrier. On July 17, 1902, Willis Haviland Carrier designed the first modern air conditioning system, launching an industry that would fundamentally improve the way we live, work and play.
Let's help you make your mark.
Early air conditioners cost anywhere from $10,000 to $50,000 in their time, $120,000 to $600,000 in today's dollars. The first room air conditioner was invented in 1931. In 1931, H. H. Schultz and J. Q. Sherman invented the first room air conditioner.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.